Hello, this is Sarah Shreves. I'm talking about my week 7 homework project for the introduction to MySQL. And so, following the homework um, for this week, the week 7, I created um, a schema on the MySQL Workbench. So on here you can see under schemas, I created a new one called projects. And then I created a new user, which is over here named projects, and gave it all of the privileges except for the grant option. So that was all set up. And if we go to my Eclipse, okay, so this is my pom.xml file, and just want to follow the homework so I can say what I did. Yeah, created the properties section. That's right here. So we have the Java version 11. Then we did the dependencies section right here. We added that dependency, and I also did following where we pasted to the clipboard, add the properties referenced for the build section right here. We added that in, so pom.xml file was set up. And then we created the packages under the source main Java file up here. So we created the projects, projects.dow, projects.entity, projects.exception, projects.service. So that's set up. And then in the DB exception file, this is where we set up the class DB exception, and then we did the extend runtime exception, and we suppressed the warnings. Learned that from the Dr. Rob video. And so these are all set up. I did do a screenshot in my PDF file. And then we did the connection class. So DB connection is right here where we added the, let's see, DB connection, workbench. So yeah, the host, password, port, schema, user. And then we did the connection. It said URI in the homework, so that's what I did. This was still a little confusing. I followed along to what Dr. Rob did. But yeah, it works when I run the Java application. So then let's see, connection. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is where we print out if we're able or unable to get the connection. And let's see here, create main class. So we created a main class, and put the project apps. Here's my main class. Oh yeah, there's main resources. Anyway, this is where we did the connection.get connection. And if you run this as Java application, it does print out connection to schema projects as successful. Because in this class, this is where we have the printout. If it is successful and we're able to get a connection, because it's returning the connection. So there's the whole setup for the Maven project. And I did do the gitignore file, which is down here, where I put in the settings and the target files or folders to be ignored. And I did upload it to GitHub. I think that it worked. So I think that's good. And that is the entirety of the week 7 homework.